684, please. You're going to find a lot of repetition now, in a minute. Now.
Abu Sa'id al-Khudri radiyallahu anhu reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was even shyer than a virgin behind her veil. When he saw something which he disliked, we could perceive it on his face. Reported in Bukhari and Muslim.
Subhanallah. So, this is to show you the manners of the Prophet ﷺ. Now, the comparison here, look, for Abu Sa'id al-Khudri to talk about the shyness or the haya of the Prophet is more than the shyness of a virgin fi khidriha, behind her veil, I mean in her place where she doesn't move, even inside the inside of her house. That's in her bedroom. So this woman, who is almost doesn't exist anymore, okay, these days, that this is the one which has been brought up to leave only for necessity. So this is a shy woman. She's gonna be shy even when she sees the nail of the toe of her father. She's shy. That's how shy she is. She's not comfortable to go and mix with the men. She's not comfortable because the women, she will be uncomfortable at the beginning, but after some time she get up to this, so no problem to be mixing and even joking with the men, the women and the men, and then she loses the most beautiful thing with her, which is her shyness, modesty. The most beautiful thing in the woman is her haya. Is that when you talk to her, she puts her head down straight away. Haya. That gives her so much beauty. But if she talks like the, yes, what do you want? Subhanallah. These days when you want to go see sister, before, it was that you see the sister, maybe 5 minutes, 2 minutes. You see her, you like her. You want to talk to her, she can't even talk. She can't. She doesn't. She's shy. That's it. You want me, that's I am. But now, it's not the person who will ask her. No. She wants to grill him. She said, I want to grill him first. MashaAllah. Grill him, fry him. Put him on the grill. Ask him. And then the man is shy. Imagine the man is shy. The woman is, Allahul Musta'an. Wallahi, this is what is happening. The man is shy and the woman is grilling him. How can we say this? Subhanallah. When's the woman that she... So the Prophet is being compared by this woman who is virgin. She didn't come out. How that means, ya ikhwani, the shyness and the haya is ghariza. Is being chipped by Allah into the women. It's not into the men. You have to gain it. But the female, they've got it by default. The women, they've got it by default. It's only the environment that changes her. But she's got it by default. And that's why the Prophet is being compared by, with shyness, by a woman like that. It was just shy. And the Prophet is so shy. Not shy to give the haqq or to take the haqq, but shy in the things that you... If you, for example, your nice clothes, can I take it, Messenger of Allah? He will be shy. He said, go and take it. Even doesn't have anything else apart from it. He will give it to you. Shy. He's not going to say no to you. Imagine those A'rab when they saw Prophet ﷺ after the Battle of Hunayn and they want everything from him. They kept following him until his cloak was hanging into the branches of one of the trees. You know, the trees have got some thorns. So it hooked his cloak, took it off from him. And the Prophet ﷺ can't say anything to him. He said, Wallahi, if I had, the cattle of the filling of the earth, I would not even hesitate to give each one of you whatever you want. SubhanAllah, that's the Prophet. But he was shy to sell them. A Bedouin man comes and, give me. He leaves a sign, give me. What are you going to say? You going to smile? I mean, come on, what are you going to do? Straight away. True or not? You like this? Oh. Let go or I'm going to punch you. He just smiled, just give him. Allahu Akbar. Patience. Adra. So we have to really, as much as possible, to imitate the Prophet ﷺ. He's our role model. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. So the haya in generality, this is at the end of the chapter, is something that would make you to leave the bad and the rudeness. And it will make you as well not to fall short, to fulfill the rights. Okay, to fulfill the rights. طيب. 85, please. Chapter 85.
Chapter 85.